I can reach
All right, Matt. All right, Matt. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Open up the back of the Jeep. It's Christmas in July. Okay. Ooh, smacking good, but it's not smacking.
I smacked it.
Well, don't smack it. Oh. All right, check it out. It's the biggest zip tie you'll ever see. All right, look what else we got. Come check it out.
I'm gonna be honest, I thought there was like a dog in there or something.
Cars.
Yeah, we got some Matt's Off-Road Recovery cars.
Ooh, got a big set of cleaning up wire stuff.
Yeah, we can use that on the YJ.
It's all orange too.
I know, it's all our colors.
Oh, they're reusable zip ties too.
Exactly. And then what's cool is these little pieces right here allow you to mount down.
And then you can hook these things
And then you
in.
can hook some extra, like two things together going different directions in the same direction. So it's a really pretty cool kit.
Interesting. That's cool.
All right, what else we got?
Got a Bikes and Beards official product.
So we've got a couple of those. That's actually this cleaner stuff. And so a kind of pro polish and sealer spray and stuff.
Got
So
a
that's
bunch
cool.
of straps in here.
Some matte straps.
Another car.
Another car.
I give Zach one look at this.
Anything over in this corner? No. We got a bag
A Matt's Off-Road bag.
for all of the straps and goodies.
Yeah.
And then this big heavy thing.
Okay, what's that? It's metric, whatever it is.
Ooh, it's tools. Oh, there's screws. I need these.
It's got some tape and some connectors and all kinds of stuff. So anyway, Happy Christmas in July.
Pretty cool, pretty cool.